All right, what's going on, man? So check this out. We are going to try some powder coating today, right? So let's see what we got here, right? We got the Eastwood PCS-250 dual voltage powder coating system. All right, I picked this up a while back. I'm just now getting ready trying to use it. We're gonna see how easy it is to do. I watched a bunch of videos on YouTube, and this thing doesn't look too bad. So I'll show you what we are going to be powder coating, right? So we have today a Baja pipe. So we're gonna try with a Baja pipe. We have the oven here. Looks like it should fit in no problem. Gonna be close, but it looks like it should fit in no problem. Put it down, so it should fit easy. All right, cool. So this is all from Eastwood. Even the heating oven is from Eastwood. The Olimat pipe. We're gonna try it, see how it goes. And so far, all I did was just scuff it up with a Scotch-Brite, just try to get some of the surface rust off of it. We got the header here. So let's go and get started with this, man. Alright, so check this out. A while back, like I said, I've been planning this whole powder coating thing for a minute now. But a while back, I bought a little oven, like a insulation blanket. So there is that. So it's some kind of thermal blanket. I'm gonna take and put tie wraps around here eventually, but for now, I just got this thing heating up. I just got it setting on top of here. I got it set at 425, top rack position, and the timer's on. So this thing is heating up. Yeah, it's getting warm. All right, so like I said before, I got all this from Eastwood. So I got some powder here, all right? Some what they call virgin powder, means it's never been recycled yet. We have my tie wraps for the blanket. I bought all this, I believe, off Amazon. Some of this from Amazon, some of this is from Eastwood. This came from Amazon. This is some high temperature masking tape. Some high temperature plugs that we will probably use for the pipe ends. What we got in here? We got the regulator. It goes on the airline. We have this is the starter kit. It has the bottles for you to put your powder in. It also comes with some plugs. What is this? Oh, the steel wire to hang your product on. Some dryers. All right. So only gonna have to use what did it say? I think 5 to 10 psi for this powder. So we are going to use this little pancake compressor down here. And here's the gun system. There's the gun. And the electronics and everything that gets plugged in, and the ground cable. Alright. Get all this stuff outside. It is going to be cold out there. So hopefully this won't take too long and won't make too much of a mess. But this is going to be cool, man. Something new, right? Alright, so we got the heat lamp going to keep me warm while I'm out here because it is freezing. And we got this all set up now. So we got the plugs on it. This is the part that slides inside the header, inside the pipe itself. This is the header, slides inside the pipe itself. So I covered the end up on that so it doesn't get any powder on it. And as you can see, get y'all in here a little better. We got them all hanging, got the plugs in them. And we're gonna see what we can do. Let's go get this machine ready. We have everything set up here, hooked up, the compressor. I just noticed I put this on here for no reason. I already had one on there, but I trust this a little bit more. So this is from Eastwood. The controller's plugged in. What we gotta do is we gotta hold this down when we get ready to, this gives the charge to the gun. So we hold this down while we spray. Everything else should be okay. I'm gonna back this heat lamp up a little bit and get the powder for the gun. So right now it's just sitting here, right? And we're gonna see what we can do. Let's get it, bro. Oh shit. Yo, this is some dirty, messy stuff. Look at the floor, man. But I think I got a nice even coat on it. So we're gonna pull this aluminum foil off that I put on here to protect the ends. We'll pull that off and we're gonna get this in the oven. We got to keep an eye on this, and when it gets up to the material itself gets to 400 degrees, we cook it for 20 minutes after that. So we'll just keep an eye on it. Yo, this is crazy, man. Just watching it, yo, you know, because it's a clear, cover or the door of this thing is wild watching this thing work. It's like a science project. Check this out. Look at that. It's already starting to change colors in the back. Looking real good. This one is starting to do something, but I guess it's definitely hotter in the back. But oh man, this is awesome, you know. Let me check the temperature on this thing. Open this up. .305. Like I said, we wanted to get to 400. See, so the pipe is 305. What is this at? 251. All right, so here we go. We're about, shit, it ain't much, man. We're about 5 minutes in or so, and it's looking good. So let's check the temperature on it. Nice and glossy coming out. 311. 358. All right. Let's turn it up just a hair. All right. So it's been a total of 15 minutes, and it is looking beautiful in there. Let's open it up, see what the temperature of the pieces are. 408. 418. All right. So let's give it 20 minutes now. Set this to 20 minutes, and then when we get finished with the time clock, we'll be done. Alright, nice gloss on it. Everything looks uniform. Looks good. Let's let this cool down for a few, and we'll get a good look at it. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. I think it turned out pretty well. I mean, the coating looks good, the gloss looks good, the amount of product that's on here feels good. Everything just, it was a messy project, but the turnout, I mean, it just looks excellent. I mean, this Eastwood product is vicious. That's the pipe, and then here's the header here. I had to do a little bit of cleanup around here with the Dremel, just to, you know, knock that down with the sand drum, because it had the little sleeve over top of here. I'm gonna sand this down real flat, because I got a little bit of powder coating on that also, because I didn't put any tape on it. I guess you could put a little bit of tape, the heat resistant tape, and that'll, you know, work that out. But I mean, everything looks good. Like I said, it fits in nice and snug. You know, I kept a little too much on there, but the coupler, you know, will cover this. I mean, I think it looks good. So we are going to get this together on our new project, and you know, I'm happy. So guys, go ahead out. Don't be scared to get this powder coating kit from Eastwood. Like I said, I'll put a link to it in the description. You know, it's a nice kit. It's messy. It's a messy job. Don't get me wrong with that. But I heard it's easy to clean up. Just sweep it up, or you know, throw it away, or just blow it out. So I got to clean the gun up, clean up outside. But this turned out really well. So guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Just another little, you know, video on some new products that's out there for the hobby. So I'll catch you on the next one. All right, Lance, man, over here at Crucial RC. I'll holla at you. Out.